Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best phones for seniors in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best phones for seniors. The 5th product on our list is T-Mobile XP3plus. Available exclusively from T-Mobile, the XP3plus is a flip phone that offers up to 15 hours of talk time, or it can be left in standby mode for up to 18 days. The phone has a small outside display that shows the time and incoming call information. When open, you get a larger 2.8-inch display and a numeric touchpad with physical buttons, not a touchscreen. For someone who has trouble hearing, the XP3plus has a speaker that can be turned up to 100 dB, yet maintain clarity. It also offers a noise cancellation feature that greatly reduces unwanted background noise during calls. Plus, users get access to a built-in 8-megapixel camera. The XP3plus is also extra durable. It can withstand being accidentally dropped. You can purchase the phone outright and activate it with an affordable T-Mobile service plan, or finance the phone for an extra $8.75 per month for 24 months, which will be added to your monthly service bill. Unlimited calling and texting plans from T-Mobile start at under $50 per month. One of the perks of using T-Mobile as your cellular service provider is that it offers discounted rates for people age 55 and up, and most of the plans include a free subscription to the Apple TV Plus and Netflix. Up next in 4th place is the AT&T Sonim XP10. AT&T also offers discounted cellular service plans for the older crowd, as well as this phone. The XP10 is designed for durability thanks to its water and drop resistance. Yes, it can even be taken into the shower. It also features an extra loud speakerphone option that relies on both noise and echo cancellation to make calls easier to understand. We also like that the 5.5-inch touchscreen display is bright enough to be seen in sunlight and can display more than 16 million colors, which means it can showcase lots of detail and make text easy to read. Plus, the touchscreen can be used by someone wearing gloves. Talk time is up to 32 hours, while standby time is up to 22 days. This is an Android phone, so you can customize the app selection and appearance of the home screen and lock screen, plus take advantage of the accessibility features baked into the operating system. These features can make it much easier for someone with a vision, hearing, or physical disability to interact with the phone, using voice commands and an altered interface. The XP10 works with many hearing aids that have an M4 or T3 rating, as well as real-time text devices. The phone relies on a 5G cellular network, so using the internet is fast and secure. This phone is closer to a smartphone than a basic no-frills phone, but its additional features and design make it a viable option for people with needs a typical cell phone does not offer. The 3rd product on our list is the Google Pixel 8a. This is a powerful Android model that lets a user expand the phone's capabilities using apps. The Google Pixel 8a now includes powerful, but very easy-to-use AI tools, so you can interact with the phone using YouVoice, or get help composing texts, summarizing websites or documents, managing a schedule, creating due-to lists, finding information, and much more. Since the Pixel 8a was designed by Google, the same company that developed the Android operating system and Google AI, users get access to features that other Android phones don't offer. Plus, the phone is rather affordable compared with other full-featured smartphones. The Pixel 8a also has online safety and security features, as well as an SOS emergency feature and crash detection. And since the phone responds nicely to voice commands, a user can initiate a voice or video call simply by saying, "Google, call my daughter," or the name of the person they want to call. The navigation features built into the phone are also top-notch, so they can prevent someone from getting lost. If you need help choosing between the Google Pixel 8a and the more advanced Google Pixel 8 Pro, we've got you covered with our in-depth comparison, which explains what sets these two popular phones apart. The Google Pixel phones also have accessibility features that can be personalized to help users with vision, hearing, or physical disabilities. The second product on our list is the Apple iPhone SE 3rd generation. The iPhone SE runs the same operating system and comes with the same collection of apps as higher-end iPhones, but this one is physically smaller and designed to be easier to use. It's also more affordable with a starting price under $450. An iPhone SE works with any cellular provider. You can customize the features for someone with a vision, hearing, or physical impairment. Plus, you can add apps to provide the specific help someone needs, such as a tool for managing daily prescriptions or monitoring heart rate. The iPhone SE also has built-in safety and security tools, including an SOS emergency button, fall detection, and crash detection. Plus, it works with an Apple Watch and other medical devices. For someone with a smart doorbell, smart thermostat, or smart door locks, the iPhone SE makes it easy to control this equipment from anywhere. So someone can see who's at their front door without getting out of bed, or unlock their front door to let a healthcare worker in without having to get up from the couch. As a full-featured but customizable smartphone, the iPhone SE can also be used for calling, texting, video calling, and more. It's also ideal for streaming music, podcasts, and audiobooks, playing all sorts of games, and providing a virtual assistant that responds to voice commands and questions. Yes, an iPhone SE takes a bit more know-how than a flip phone, but it also offers so much more customization, and the phone can also be paired with many hearing aids. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Nokia 2780 Flip. This is a modern-day phone, but one that offers just the basics when it comes to functionality. Just like the original flip phones of yesteryear, it's also very inexpensive. You can activate it with any cellular service provider, so you can shop around for the best plan. This one relies on 4G LTE cellular technology, but that should be more than adequate for most people who just want the basics. The outside display can display caller ID information, so you don't have to unfold the phone to see who's calling. The phone is compatible with some apps and can handle basic web browsing and text too. We like this phone because it offers larger buttons instead of a touchscreen. It's also compatible with many hearing aids and real-time text devices. The phone's rechargeable battery offers up to 7 hours of talk time, but can left in standby mode for up to 18 days before needing a recharge. The phone lacks an alphanumeric keypad, so texting is a bit more involved, but it's priced at just $88, so the Nokia 2780 flip phone offers a really good value. That's all for our list of the 5 best phones for seniors on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.